Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of ALWAYS Always Pan in Lavender. So the box just arrived, and when we first open it, here comes the lid. It's in this beautiful lavender color. I think the color is so pretty and it's my favorite color, and that's why when I first saw it, I was like, I have to have this pen just because of this color. And it was actually sold out in this color, but then it became available, and so I ended up purchasing it. So this is a cleaning sponge, and then we have this steamer basket. And the pen itself and spatula. So the spatula goes here. It is pretty heavy, I have to say. It's pretty heavy, and then when you put the lid on it, let's see, it becomes even heavier. I have to say, it is pretty heavy. So there it is. Another thing I wanted to mention is that I did purchase this pen during the Black Friday sale. So it was actually on sale for $99, and I figured it's worth it. For $99, the original price on this pen is $145. I don't think I would buy it for $145, but for $99, I figured it was a pretty good deal. I think this color makes me feel so happy, and I'm hoping that, you know, it will bring some a light to my kitchen, and maybe it will prompt me to get more into cooking. So that was the reasoning behind purchasing this pen. I really like it so far. I mean, the fact that it's pretty heavy is kind of concerning to me, but you know, I'll give it a try and see what it feels like to cook with this. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in my next video. So guys, one thing I forgot to mention, or I didn't notice at first, on the side of the box there was a pouch that contained these Chinese New Year envelopes. So I think it's pretty cool, and I'm so glad that they included this. Year of the Tiger envelopes. That is so cool. I'm so happy with this. I don't know, I just like enjoy the artwork, and it's the artwork by this artist, Vanilla Chi. I think they're so cool and so pretty. So that was like an added bonus to the Always pen.